Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Tamara and this is Reimagine 50 Plus. And today I am happy to share with you my summer Stitch Fix box. Now, I have to tell you going into this that I had a trip in mind and I had requested very specifically summer type clothes. I told them things that I already had. I didn't want any more jeans. I really wanted natural fibers, cotton, linen when possible, because we had a couple of things coming up and I was going to be going to some very hot climates. So that being said, let me show you what I received in my box, and I will tell you what happened at the end whenever I actually reviewed my box with them, which of course you can do because you will get your note from your stylist. So let me show you what I got. So first of all, I don't know if you will notice or not, but this is a 3/4 sleeve, and this is a dress, which I will show you in a moment, the whole thing. I'll put some shoes on and show you how it looks. But because I had requested some summer things, I guess they were thinking that a dress would be appropriate. And there is a lot of cotton in this dress. There's just enough spandex to make it, give a little bit. And as much as I like the dress, I have to tell you, I am roasting right now. It's close to 100 degrees outside. I'm in the house where it's cool and I am roasting. I do have a light on for filming purposes, but oh my gosh, it's what I would consider a bodycon dress. Maybe they call this fit and flare. You'll see when I stand up, but I'm roasting and I cannot even imagine wearing this dress when it's 100 degrees outside. This is going to be a great dress for fall when it cools off, because here in Southern California, September and October are two of our hottest months. So when I say fall, I'm thinking this might be a nice Thanksgiving dress. That's if I keep it. So let me just remind you that when you get your Stitch Fix box, you receive not only, the breakdown of what everything costs, but you also get a nice little note from your stylist. And I am a firm believer in being in contact with your stylist, doing the little updates on style decisions so that they know I would never wear, maroon. That's just not one of my colors. Everything from style. I don't go in for the ripped jeans. Distressed maybe a little, but not ripped and hanging. I'm not 25 anymore. So anyway, you get this, and with each item that they send you, they give you a styling suggestion. I'll call it a guide, but it's according to whatever you have in your closet and what you want to wear with your items. And I'm doing this so that I can push my comfort zone and maybe choose something that I ordinarily would not choose to buy for myself and get out of that, frump town look. But I want to look like I have some style, that I'm not necessarily chasing a fad, but that what I'm wearing is on trend and it's in style and it won't go out of style too soon. So that's another thing. So let me show you, let me just hold up and show you some of the things, because I've already shown you the dress. But another item that they sent me that I actually do like and I'm thinking will work is a pair of khaki shorts. And by the way, let me tell you that this is a Ralph Lauren dress. So this is a very well-made name brand dress. So it is very high quality. Now these are called Market Spruce, and they are about 60% cotton with some polyester, and they are a cuffed olive color, so a neutral for me, for sure. And I have a couple of other khaki and olive color. I have a pair of linen camos, which you may have seen because I'm taking those on my trip. But I am thinking maybe these would work too. So that was something that I saw And I said, yes, I think I could use those. Something that I chose as a last minute thing that I thought, well, it's cute styling. And again, would not have probably chosen it for myself, but it was this. And here's the trick on this. It's buttons down the back, and then it has a cute little sleeve. Now they say this is navy. It doesn't look very navy to me, and it has some silver, like gunmetal silver buttons on it. So it may even go with the shorts. I don't know. Well, I haven't tried that on together yet. Now here is the item that I thought,
what? I don't know about that.
But I chose it thinking, well, I'll just send it back if I don't like it. It is 100% cotton, so it ticked the box on the cotton. It's very thin, and so if nothing else, I could always wear it over my bathing suit. It's very thin. But here's the thing. Even though I am short, I kind of have to wear this down on my hips. Otherwise, it's a little too short for my legs. That tends to be where I carry my weight. And so I have to kind of pull it down and then probably wear a t-shirt or something to hide that I'm wearing a hip hugger skirt. So it's very different. I probably would have never chosen that, but I thought I'll try it. I will try it. And then the last thing they sent me, and I do like the color, and these are not your daughter's jeans. They're a very pale, like a shell pink, but I do not like cropped pants, and these have a cuff in them. And if they weren't cuffed, if they were just cut off, I would have absolutely sent them back. But because I was able to take the cuff out, it will then skim my ankle and not come up and cut my leg off so short. They're kind of like jeans. They're a little thick for 100 degrees. On a cooler night here in California, they will be fine because they will work with a little sweater or something on top. But as far as a daytime wear, they probably will not. So, whew, okay, it's starting to get hot here. All that changing clothes. So, you know, it's nice to be able to try them on and then send them back if you don't like them. But I have to say this, when you see them online, you think, okay, when you get them, it's actually harder to send them back because you think, oh, I can style this, and now I see it has potential. And that's kind of what I wound up doing. Even with this was the one that I thought, I don't know if I'm going to like it, but you could see that as I tucked it into those high-waisted linen pants, it actually worked. And if I wanted to wear it out, I wanted to show you that, how it has a longer tail with the buttons going down the back. That gives it a little interest, and it's kind of fun. It's something different. I certainly didn't have anything like that before. So what I wound up doing is accepting the entire box. However, when I went in and I responded to each item, I let them know that I was not happy, that there were very few natural fibers, that something like this is going to be very hot, and that 3/4 sleeve, very tight dress was going to be very hot. And so at the end of the day, I really wasn't in love with anything in the box. So what they did is they said, oh, we're sorry that you didn't love your box, and so we would like you to try again with no styling fee. And remember, you pay $20 as a styling fee. And I said, you know what? It's free shipping. There's no styling fee. And if I don't like it, I will send everything back. So I just got the email that the box was on the way. I let them know again that I wanted natural fibers, and we'll see what I got. So for now, this is what I am keeping, and we'll see what comes in the next summer box. I'm supposed to get it in about 4 days. So I will get it and I will add to the video so that you can see what I wound up keeping. But for this box, the Ralph Lauren dress, and that was a size medium, and that was $98. So that $98, of course, is before I get the 25% off for accepting the entire box. And spruce which was this button back top, is a medium in a petite, and it is $48, again, before the 25% off discount. The jeans, the Not Your Daughter's jeans, the shell pink, very pale pink, they're called the Maryland Straight Cuffed Capri jean. And again, I'm not crazy about capris, but that was a size 6, and those were $89. So by the time I got the discount, I thought that's worth it, because that's a pretty substantial discount off of that. That brings them in around 60 something. The Market and Spruce cuffed short, that was the green shorts that I knew I wanted in olive. Those were a size 6, and they were $58 before the discount. The patchwork skirt was BB Dakota by Steve Madden, by the way. That was the very thin 100% cotton skirt. That was a size medium, and it was $68, again, before my discount. So we'll see what my next box, which I'm going to get in just a few days. The box came very quickly, and I was so excited to see what they had sent me, considering I had told them, hey, I need some natural fibers and things for a hot area. And so here's what I received. As much as I was excited and looking forward to those yellow sandals, they did not fit properly. There was something funky going on with the strap. This top I liked, but it was 100% rayon, so I wasn't really crazy about that. And again, those sandals, they just didn't fit right. This navy blue top is a combination of linen and cotton, and as much as I liked it, well, guess what? I already had something almost identical in my own closet. So gee, I have to draw the line and say I don't need another one. So here's everything. I decided to send it all back. I didn't talk about that little floral thing. That's a dress. And as much as I like the fabric, it looked hideous on me. So nope, not keeping one thing. I think I'm gonna have to cancel.